Oh, oh. Oh. Oh, oh. Hey, I know those people.
Trying to get another person to a burnout.
What the heck? He honked. He honked. That counts.
TJ.
Yes, sir.
No!
What was that?
Wow.
Hey, get this truck to honk.
Hey, someone did it right. He was pushing it.
Yeah. Hey, it's good. Yeah, they already did.
This truck to a burnout. Watch.
Oh! The school bus honked!
What hard?
Yes, it did.
I said one time.
Yeah, one time.
I was trying to get that truck to a burnout.
But it honked.
Hey! Over here! You're pointing to the wrong parking lot.
Oh, dude, nah, they're lame. They're lame.
I like that.
Spread out, man. Yeah, it's kind of getting quiet. No more honks.
Why?
I don't know.